Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, let's go into the settings, just this gear icon right here, and then scroll all the way down to System, About Phone, and from here we're looking for build number, which is the last entry right here. Tap on that 7 times and you will get a message you are now a developer. Now, if you have some kind of protection of the device like PIN, pattern, or password, you will need to confirm it before developer options actually become enabled. And then once it has, you can go back, and is it right here? Yep. So if you go back to System Settings, you'll find developer options right here. You can tap on it, and here you have access to all of them. And that is how you would enable it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.